there was a couple of them that did their purses. And darn, no money. And then I have my coin purse because I'm that old lady. Hi, I'm Dee and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Alright, okay, so here is where I keep, well, not the scarf. We're gonna have to go back into my closet and do another declutter, you guys. Yeah. Choices. I have this McCord bag here that I recently bought, and I have not really used this one. Which I should. I kind of want to go back to this one. I don't know. I'll tell you what, we'll take them both. So this is the one that I have been using lately, and it's either this one or I grabbed this one too. You guys probably seen this one. It was on one of those info commercials late at night. Actually, my sister bought me this one in the midst of 2020, and you didn't want to touch anything. People even went to so far as wearing latex gloves everywhere. Remember that? In the stores, like everywhere, because we didn't know. You can place your phone in here without getting it contaminated. You can put your cards in there. It's a great little bag. Definitely gonna keep it because if I go back to traveling, it's just something easy. Anyways, the reason why I'm showing this is because I have been using something like this and something like this as a crossover type of small bag. And this one I got at some leather store in Florida. And it was just easy as a crossover little bag. This is my last bag that I had purchased. It's a Michael's Kors. It's a large bag. Some say, one of my friends says that it's more like a suitcase, Dee. Caregivers out there, can you agree with me? Or even moms, like, you need a big bag, right? To throw everything. And with my mom, I always had everything for us in that bag for the majority. And I love bags like this because I don't know how long, when my mom goes into the hospital, I don't know how long her stay is going to be. I would have like a t-shirt, no lie, stuck in there. Now I'm ready to go back to my normal handbag. Are you like that? Have you been carrying something like this since 2020? Or is that how you roll? Do you even use a fanny pack? It's okay. It's a safe zone here. You can tell me in the comments down below if you wear a fanny pack. I think those are returning back in. Are they returning? I don't know. I decided, since I saw some of my fellow YouTubers of the Tiny Tidy team, there was a couple of them that did their purses. Sunday Dawn did hers. Amanda Jane, Mind Your Matters, changing her bags. And I thought, why not? This is a perfect timing because this is something that I want to do. I want to get back to maybe using this bag here. Yeah, I think it's time. So this was just to share with you guys. I'll try to link this down below if you want something like this. I think it's great. Again, it's like in those info commercials. This is not sponsored by any means. Well, let's see what Dee has in her bag. Of course, we have sunglasses. And because I couldn't find my other sunglasses, I grabbed another pair not knowing my sunglasses were in there. Just figured that out yesterday. Ooh. We got lotto tickets. Lighting situation here for you guys. This is from Coach. I love this thing because it has one of these things that you get to clip on whatever. Sometimes I put it around my belt loop of my jeans. But in here, I keep all of my credit cards, ATM cards, everything. Because again, it was 2020, right? But the bad thing about this lately is that it's not in an individual slot like a wallet. I've already lost a credit card in here, and I've been putting receipts in here. Everything is in here, so every time I pull something out, it drops, it falls. If I need my ID, I take all my cards and I'm going through all the cards. I mean, it's just been frustrating. I definitely need to get back into using a wallet for sure. A mask. Look, see? I just have money just lying around in there. Business card that I really don't need is Quest. Went to get some blood work done earlier today. I have my favorite powder, because I always like to have that. Hand sanitizer, which I still need. Ear pods. because sometimes I like to listen to my Audible. Oh, and my P.O. box key. Got a rubber band. Oh, I have the key to my neighbor's front door. Don't ask. I have a cough drop. Ooh, which reminds me, if you guys follow me in my vlogs, I finally got rid of that darn cough. So I don't need that anymore, so that could be thrown away. And a lens cloth because, well, I have my phone usually in here, and I'm always wiping my camera lens off because, well, I'm a vlogger. Let's see. Look, this bag can hold a lot, right? Oh, and I like to carry an aspirin around with me, just in case. And this right here is an Aleve for myself and for my mom, just in case. And then another Aleve. And then that's it in there. And in here, I don't think I have anything. Oh, yes, I do. I have a fish oil because we were taking our medication during our breakfast earlier today. And I have to take that. I hate taking fish oil because they're so huge. And that's it. That's all that's in there. And then on the side, I normally don't keep anything in here. Again, yeah, I don't have anything in there. I guess that's the beauty of having a small purse, is at least it's not so much. But look, that little purse can fit quite a lot of few things, right? So I can actually get rid of this. I can go ahead and look inside what the other purse might have, because honestly, I have not opened this up. So you guys are getting the bonus. Just kidding. A receipt of some sort. Don't need that. And look, some money. 10 cents. See, it pays to get through your purse. Just kidding. Nothing in that one. Some pens. I have, oh, one of these cool things. I don't know. Oh, okay. These are, it looks like my blood pressure pills. These are old. That could be thrown away, and I'll just keep those. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's on that one. Then it has, look, this thing is like huge. And it has a middle little opening here. Oh, I love these things. This is one of those, I don't know what they call these, but basically you put this on your table wherever you're at, and then it can hold up your purse, and you just put your purse right there. Because again, you really don't want to put your nice purse on certain, you know, things like counters, whatever. What else do we have? What's that? Samsung. Oh, it startled me. It was just a little box. That was probably to my old earphones or something. Oh, hey, that's where that went. I need this. I love these little things for your, oh, I guess I should probably tell you what it is. It's like like if you have your phone and you want to write down something, or your iPad, or you just want to use this instead of your finger, that's what that's for. And I have, oh, look at that. I have a little memory card. Okay. Tied to my old phone. And that is it in there. Next little pocket here. I have Michael Kors about this bag. I like to keep stuff like that from the original. Here is my old Coach wallet. I actually gave this one for my mom for her to use, and then we bought her own one. Yeah, so this one is empty, and I don't know, it's actually, you know what, I could probably just donate that, huh? Even though it's kind of a little bit on the used side, but majority of it, it's still in really good condition still. So I think I'm going to go ahead and donate that. Oh, okay. Here we have some lens cleaning towelettes. Those always come in handy. Costco. optometrist business card I don't need. 2 of them. Why do I have 2 of them? I don't know. A shiny nickel. And here we go again with another glass lens cleaner or wipe thingy bajiggy. And then I have my coin purse because I'm that old lady. Is that funny? Oh my goodness. Anytime I bust this out, I always think of that one cartoon where the granny comes out and goes with the penny. 1, 2. I like it. I found this at the Dollar Tree. I thought it was cute, so I grabbed it. Makes me laugh. Okay, I think that is it. Look at all these pockets. Aren't they awesome? Fits my sunglasses, my phone, just everything. Okay, so that's in that one. What's in this one? I love this one, except for, look at that. It's starting to frail, and it's coming undone a little bit there. But I absolutely love it. I wonder if I can get these. I wonder if I can somehow get this fixed or what. Because this part is still gorgeous. I love this purse. I miss this purse. This purse and I have been through a lot. And look, I haven't bought the matching little wallet to go with it. And I don't really use this one. This is the one I really want to start using again. Look, it has all of the Michael Kors again. Yeah. So I think I want to take everything out of this one and then put it in this one, because this one's nice and small. I have 2 contact lenses for just in case. So this is another little Coach coin purse. And darn, no money. But I don't use this anymore. I don't know. I should probably. And look, that one's almost like brand new. I don't know what I should do with that. I'll have to think about that. Anything in the middle? Nope. Ooh, I have another shiny dime. Well, it's not even that shiny. And that is all I have there. I have one more pocket. Oh, and this is the price tag. How much should I pay for this? Oh, Dee. $2.99. But I got this at the military base, so we do get a discount, but I know. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. I really want to use this one, so I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to kind of see what I'm going to put in there. Let's see. Okay, these are the things that I am not going to use. These have to be relocated. I'm really not too sure what I'm going to do with these Coach items right here. But this can go back into my closet, placed where they need to be placed. At least I got to tidy up. And now I'm super happy that I get to use my bag again. Maybe I need to clean it a little bit, give it a nice wipe down. There's not much in this bag, but give it time. Give it time. You know what I mean? It's kind of like I'm trying to get back to normal again. I'm trying. Baby steps, baby steps. So take some time today, if you can, to tidy up your purse. And thank you for joining me today. Make sure you click on that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And check out the playlist for more tiny, tidy motivation. Go ahead, click on it right here. Or click one of these videos.